God damn it, look at my already starting to swell. I'm looking forward to this week. I get swell foot all week.
What are you doing?
You should probably go ahead and shut that off.
Yeah?
Oh, hey, Quagmire, how was Florida?
What are you doing?
Great. Guess what? I smuggled a whole bunch of fireworks back in my ankle.
Quagmire, fireworks aren't illegal here. You could have just put them in your car and driven them up here.
Oh, yeah, that's just as
Good.
fun.
What are you doing?
All right, Nick. You be
What
David
are you
Correct,
doing?
and I'll be a heavy-handed FBI agent.
Kisses.
Hey, you! You're a crazy person! Come out of there, you!
Quagmire, check it out. I took 10 M80s and stuck them all together. I call
Say
it
hello.
Ribbons Bunker Bustin' Mega Ultra Super. Holy crap! What happened? Oh my God!
You know, no huge hurry, but I've called out of juice over here. Bone dry.
There's one of Dad's fingers!
We have to hurry. I learned in biology, if you get them back soon enough,